Welcome. In today's video, we are going to learn about how to create a music, like background music using AI. So this website is called AIVA. In this website, we can create actual music which we can use in our videos. If you're a YouTuber like me, you know how hard it is to find a background music. But with this AI tool, we can actually create like different types of music using AI, and it's totally free. And I think before using this music, please read the terms and policies because I'm not sure about the policies. So let's see what kind of genre we get. We get like 1,000+ genres over here, and not 1,000+, like 100+. And if you want to search any specific genre, you can search over here. Like we have EDM, folk, trap, as well as lofi hip hop, and all that. And let's on the second page we have 8-bit, a bit pop, as well as bedroom pop, cyberpunk, and punk rock. So just go through it and explore your genre. So for now, let's go with the cyberpunk cinematic and let's create. So we have key signature, duration, and number of composition. In key signature, we can choose different majors, like we have C major, F majors, D major, and all that. I'm not like sure what they do, but depending on the key signature, it generates what kind of music do you want. If you're like music, like how to compose a music, then this might be helpful for you. This menu might be helpful for you, but I'm not any musician or composer, so I'm not able to decide what we choose. But let's go with some like a B major, B major, and duration, let's choose like a 3, and number of composition we can go up to 5. Let's choose 3, and let's click on the create tracks. And within a second it will generate all 3 music. So when I was trying this software, so I chose this lofi ambient and it created this 3 music for me. It was like really cool, and I can download it directly in MP3 format. If you want to download it in WAV format, I think we have to pay, but for MP3 it is totally free. Okay, so our first music is generated, so let's play this. Okay, so it is good. I can use it in my videos. Let's see the next one. Okay, it actually has that vibes, the cinematic cyberpunk vibes, and let's go with this one. Okay, so this is how you can create music for free using this tool. So each month we get like 3 downloads. If I downloaded already one, so that is showing over here. I downloaded one, and per month we get 3. So I think I only have to I have 2 more options to download. So let me download this one, and so there are options, but for this I think we have to upgrade. But for MP3 we don't have any we don't have to pay, so let's go with MP3. Okay, so our file is downloaded and we can directly use these audios in our YouTube videos. And as you can see, I have only 1 music left to download. So that's how you can create AI music for totally free, and you can directly use in your videos. So I hope you learn a lot from this video. And so as you can see, AI has become really advanced. We can do everything from AI, and AI is the future. So if you like this video, let me know. And so that's it for today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one.